Hey, what's going on? Robert from R&G Garage. I've been working on the Chevelle video, and I have to move a car that I got parked out front. It's been covered for about a year now, and so I figured do a quick video on it and get it fired up and maybe take it for a little test drive. So let's go check her out. What's going on, everybody? This is my 1978 25th anniversary C3 Corvette. I got this about a couple years ago, and it was in the middle of San Antonio, some guy's backyard. Sat outside since '98. So, but I got it in there, got it running, got the brakes going on it. I actually drove it from the shop, parked it over here because stuff was going on, and then life happened and winter came, and it's been sitting here for a year. So we need to get our road base and do our driveway, and so we're gonna get it fired up. And we never did drive it up and down the street, so let's see if we can do that today too. But so I got the battery charger going on it. I get some fresh fuel, and we'll see if this thing fires up and we can take it for a little spin. I took all this apart, and I took the sender out, and it barely fits through this little hole, which you can reach down, totally clean the tank completely out, and put a new sender, everything in there, so the whole fuel system is totally clean. Oh, there we go. I have to get the air conditioning working on this car. Shoot, it's already like 85 today. We'll give it all to her. All right, let's see if this thing will fire. She's got the 80 horsepower 350 in her. All right, I didn't pour any gas down the carburetor. Let's see if she'll fire up on her own. It's almost started. Let me hook the battery charger back up on there. flooding out. Warm up a little bit. Be idling. The AC works. She wants to go. Got brakes. We won't go on the road where the legal cars go. The timing's off a little bit. Tires. That's probably why I don't want to, you know, it's coarse concrete. Otherwise, they'd probably be lighting them up. Yeah, I could drive this car every day. Heck yeah. All right, got her down by the truck, ready to pick whichever one we want to work on. And you know, these got these foam bumpers on the front and the back, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. I don't know if you can get some of that fiberglass fill and, you know, glaze over that and sand it down real good, or, you know, just spend the money and get the actual fiberglass ones. But I'm thinking I'm going to hack these off. And then, you know, fiberglass those in and make them flat, because those look dorky. This is a factory yellow car, and those ain't the wheels that came on it, but I think they look pretty cool on there. I'd run that. But just a little bit of the gel coat missing right there, which is easy to fix. And here's the rear one. I have the emblem, and same with this, you know, cut those off or just get the whole replacement piece. But I mean, it's soft. So if I was to put some fiberglass filler on there, it'd probably end up cracking. But it's a pretty solid car. Like I said, the T-tops or lift-off roof, you know, all the rubbers are gone in this car. So it leaked in there. It ruined the seats and the carpet. The door panels were good. I took them off. And here's one of the original seats. And it's trashed. The inside and the bottom is all rusted out. The console looks all right. And then these had filler pieces in there with carpet. And I can redo those easy. But, and I do have a black dash that I got for like $50 on the, you know, marketplace or whatever. So, and then the metal part of the dash we can paint black, get some black seats, some black carpet, and then we'll redo the side panels in black. And I think this is the first year of the bubble window. I wish it had the flat window, but you know, for $2,200, what do you expect? Guy made me buy it. It was a smoking deal. It didn't take much to get it running. I think the timing is totally off on this thing. The electric windows work. I don't know if any of you Corvette people have any tricks. I try to take these tops off. Actually, I took the panel off on here, thinking I could get to it. But it comes down, but that's all, as far as it comes down. And it is solid. And then there's a bar that goes in behind here that goes back to here. Back to here that pulls a pin. And it is just frozen solid. I tried to spray and you name it. I'm to the point where I'm taking this piece off right here to take this piece off to, you know, get rid of the little pin spot. And, but I figured I'd wait till I start tearing it apart because that'd be cool to take tops off and put the new rubbers on there so it didn't leak. She's a pretty solid car. Missing a couple little things here and there, but seemed to shift good. I don't see any cracks in the fiberglass anywhere. Looks like she had a pinstripe on her. So I've been leaning on the car right there too. You know, guy has to take a break. It'd be cool to have side pipes, but you know, haven't come across a pair of those that are reasonable. So it won't probably take too much to do some buffing on it just to make it look halfway decent. I mean, but yeah. All right, that's my 25th anniversary 1978 Corvette. So tell me what you think, and we're going to get back up and get to work on the Chevelle. And once again, thanks for subscribing. And I appreciate everybody watching. So, you know, we'll catch you on the next video. All right, everybody, that's my 1978 25th century. All right, guys, that's my 1978, almost a year undercover. And